Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time coming across this channel, my name is Fola, and I'm the voice behind Data Solutions Heaven. So, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to optimize your LinkedIn profile and set yourself up for success using just a simple AI tool. I'm sure you are thinking, another ChatGPT video. No, I'm not here to tell you how to prompt ChatGPT, Google Bard, or Bing for LinkedIn optimization tips. Rather, I'll be demonstrating the process of optimizing your LinkedIn profile by clicking just a single button on a tool, which is a Google Chrome extension that I'll be showing us today. And the name of the extension is Career Flow AI LinkedIn optimization tool and more, because they do more than LinkedIn optimization, right? So what you will do once you come here, I'll drop the link to this page in the description of the video. So what you do basically is just click on Add to Chrome and then click on Add Extensions. Once you click on that, it adds to the list of to your list of Google Chrome extensions, which you can access by clicking on this drop down list here. And this is the one we've just added, Career Flow AI LinkedIn Optimization. Okay, so you can either go there to click on that from the list, or you click on this icon here at the bottom right of your screen, this C on a blue background icon. That's the icon for the tool. Now, before we go on to demonstrating how it's being used, you may want to find out what are some of the benefits of LinkedIn optimization. Why do I need to optimize my LinkedIn profile? So one of the benefits is that it increases your visibility to recruiters and hiring managers, as you'll be more likely to show up in their search results when they are looking for candidates with your skills and experience. You will also be able to expand your professional network, and as well as which is the third benefit now, is that you have a good profile which will portray you and help you position yourself as a thought leader in your field and attract opportunities from potential clients, right? So how do we use this tool? So you simply click on this now, because it's automatically launched my LinkedIn profile because it works majorly on LinkedIn. That was why I launched my profile automatically when I added to my list of extensions. So what you want to do is just click on this icon and then you click on sign in, because I already have an account. If you do not have, or since you do not have, it may tell you to sign up on the initial launch. So you may just go ahead and sign up and then you sign in. Okay. So let's hold on for it to sign me on. Okay, so we're in. So once you sign in, now because I've used it before, that's why it's showing my optimization as this, but you may not see any score like this on your own. Or let me just go ahead and refresh. You may not see any score like this on your own. So what you will have to do is just click on Start Optimization. Once you click on that, it will go through each and every section of your LinkedIn profile and check that it's already properly has the information that and checks if they already have the information that each section is supposed to contain, right? So let's click on Start Optimization, and then it's going to check my LinkedIn profile. And for each section, it will give you a description of what the section is about. So for the profile photo now, it says this is a photo that you choose to showcase your professional network. You are more likely to be remembered by your profile photo than by your name. Ensure that your face is clearly visible in the picture. Your profile photo should be just you. Don't include anyone or anything else. So it shouldn't be a group picture that you took at an occasion or at a ceremony. It should be a personal, professional picture clearly showing your face and of good quality. Okay, and now it's also suggesting that you can use SnapR to check the quality of your photo. So you can also go to this website to check that your photo is of good quality before you upload onto LinkedIn. Okay, so you click on next to check the next section um, of your LinkedIn profile, and the next section is banner, and then gives a description of what the banner is all about. So just continue to click on next until it's gone through each and every section of your page. Okay, and then you see that the progress bar here moves as it checks each of those sections. Okay, so just continue to click on next. If you want to read the description of each section, you can go ahead and do so, so you have a better understanding of the kind of information that you should put in there. Okay, so I'll just click on next, 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 so we can go through with this. We're almost done. 13 out of 14, and now we're on the last section. Okay, so once you have the progress bar filled up and you have 14 out of 14 completed, go ahead and click on finish, and then it will calculate your score out of 100. So out of 100, it says my profile is 82, right? And now you can go ahead and review, either share your results or have a professional ask an expert to review your profile for you to give you suggestions. So now for the 82% score, we want to know what has happened to the other 18%, right? Okay, so we click on here, back to list, back to all list, and then it brings you to this page. So under each of this section, the green ones are the ones that are good. The yellow ones, you may want to do something about the yellow ones, even though it's a suggestion. It's not that it's compulsory, but if you do add on one or two more things, it may help. It may move from the yellow to green, and then that would also impact on your score. Okay, so for my profile photo, it says good. My banner is good. My headline is good. Open to network is good. Location is good. Connections, I have, let's see what it says about connections. You click on that arrow to open it up. It says add more connection to your profile, because adding more people to your professional network means more chances of mentorship or guidance. Okay, now, and it says add at least 500 people to your network. At the moment, I have less than 500. I have 457. So once I get to 500, that will move from yellow to green, and that will improve my score. So you can go back to all list by clicking here. Okay, so we have done connections. My about page is good. My experience, let's see what it says. It says a detailed description of your experience will help recruiters better understand your past work. Okay, so what this means is, even though I have listed my past experiences, right? The description I have given is not detailed enough. So it's saying, okay, give a better description, a more detailed description of your experience. So that's something I need to work on, right? Because it is red. Okay, so you go back to your to the list, and then you check education. You just click on the right arrow to check the breakdown or the recommendation for each of the ones that you want to look at for. Now, for the volunteering ones, let's say it says be sure to include volunteer experience in your profile, because 40% of hiring managers consider it equivalent to your work experience. So if you have volunteered in any role in the past, you may want to add that onto volunteer, and that will improve your chances with the hiring managers and also help to improve your score. I haven't done any volunteer role in the past, so I do not have anything to put in that section. So that's all about it for this video today. But just to mention that this particular tool, the Career Flow LinkedIn optimization tool, or the Chrome extension, does more than just LinkedIn optimization. If you click on these three dots, it can take you onto their, you can go onto their website, and then it will tell you about the other services that they do offer. I know that they do resume review. They can help you track your jobs. Now I've come to my dashboard on the career flow page to the website. So this, for this one, what it helps you to do is just to keep track of your job applications, right? For example, let's say I went on to LinkedIn to, no, let's say I went on to Indeed to apply for a job, right? And I want to keep track of that, um, of the job application process. I'm just looking for one. Let me just pick one, anyone as an example. So let's say I want to apply for this, or I have applied, and I want to keep track of all my job applications, right? I want to know the number of jobs I have applied for within a particular period. So to keep track, you can go onto this one, and then once you hover over it, it brings this menu for you, and then you can go on to save job to tracker, and it will save that job onto your tracker. Okay, job was saved. So if I go onto that dashboard, that my dashboard, and refresh, you will see that the job I have just added, that was data analyst at Cathedral appointment, has been added on here. Data analyst at Cathedral appointment, and is here as saved. So I have, if I have applied, if I have saved it to apply later, I can leave it here. If I have applied, I can simply drag and drop onto applied, right? Now, once I applied, if I have been called for interview, I can move on to interview. So at every point in time, you're able to keep track of the progress of each job application. After interview, if you have been offered a job offer, you can also move here. If any of the jobs has been rejected, you can move it to the rejected part. Okay, that way you're able to keep track of how many jobs you have applied for, which ones were did you get to the interview stage with, which one got you the offer, and then which ones were you rejected on. So that's one thing that the tool can also do for you. And again, if you go onto their, if you go onto their website, let's go onto the website. Okay, let me do that from here. I already have the Chrome extension. So they have, these are some services that is upcoming for them, right? Okay, I think they already have these ones available. They already have these ones also available. So for cover letter, you can use to generate cover letter for a particular job. You can use to generate LinkedIn post. You can use it to generate LinkedIn headlines. You can see LinkedIn headline generator. You can also use it to generate the about section of your LinkedIn. So simply by giving it your maybe CV, and then you ask it to generate your the about section for you, generate the headline, generate LinkedIn post, and generate cover letters. So you can just like I said, the objective was to show us how to use it to optimize our LinkedIn and how to track job applications. You can go ahead and explore each of these other tools, and yeah, you should be able to find some of them useful. So if you found the information I've shared here today and found it helpful, kindly do well to subscribe, leave a comment, like, and share. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.